Myself Vishal Anand, and today I am going to show if your solar light facing from problem and it will not charge when you put in sunlight, then what happens inside it, then how to open solar lantern and how to repair it. And here we have a solar lantern of company D Light, and now I am going to show you how to open it and how to repair it. At first you have to see what is the look of D Light solar lantern. This is D Light solar lantern. Here is the brand name written here, and this is the stand for D Light solar light, and this is the solar panel which is inbuilt in his head. And now we are going to show it that it will not working. Here is the indicator, and we put in the light, then indicator will not glow here. Then at first we have to see how to open it, because in this light a different type of nut is used to tight the complete system. At first we see how to open it, which screwdriver is used to open it. Then we see which type of screwdriver is used. This is the screwdriver set, and a part of one piece is used for opening this light. We will see this is not working. We put it sunlight, and here indicator will not glow. Here is a green indicator to show that the system is working or not. It means it will charging or not. Then at first we have to open this. At first we have to open the stand this stand like this, and after that we choose a piece of screwdriver which is used to open. We see here nut bolt is different. In central a small metal is also attached, which will disturb to open the nut. So we have to choose the proper screwdriver to open it. At first we have to select the screwdriver. Open this, and at first we choose the screwdriver. This is the suitable for opening the light. How it is possible, then we will see. Here is my sunlight devices, and we put it into the holder, and now we will see how to open it. We put again, here is the nut, different type, and we put like this, and it will be rotating. You can see it is easily open. There is 3 nut in this light. This is open very easily. Now we remove all the 3 nut from the lantern. Here, and after that this cover is removed, which protect light from the water or dust. After that we open the back side of the cover this way. This way it is open. Now we will see, this is a solar plate used in the system, and here we say there is only one wire is connected and one wire is broken here, SP minus. It is a solar minus and solar plus, and here is the wire solar minus, and we connect here and we will check my system is working or not. We attach here, and after that we will check it will charging or not. Now we see the green light is working, it means indicator is working and my system is charging. When we remove the wire, then we will see the system will not working. That means problem is here. After soldering this wire in the system, you can easily repair the D light, and we will see how to remove the battery from here and what rating of battery is used here. At first you have to remove the socket from here, and you can easily remove the battery. Here we can see what rating of battery is used. Here we will see 400 mAh and 3.2 volt rating of battery is used. It will be removed from the solar Laltern, and here is a control circuit board. Push here and easily you can remove. Push here the button and again push here, and you can easily remove this way. This is a control circuit board which will use to control the charging current from the solar module to the battery, and it protects from overcharging, over discharging. So many functions are used in this circuit. Now here is only problem, the wire is broken from the solar module. When you soldered it, then your D light system is working properly. Again we see, when we connect this, then my indicator is working and my system is working properly. Thanks for watching video.